everybody to another Minecraft command block video. I'm going to be showing you guys my updated loot crate design. A guy in the comments his username, but he pointed out to me that the loot crate only works for one person. So I just updated it so that it's the closest player to the dropped loot crate. It's slightly updated, it's a lot better, it's more convenient, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this updated loot crate video. Okay guys, so the updated loot crate, you might notice it's quite a bit bigger. It used to be about 5 command blocks and I had to add 2 on the end. But it's really just adding 2 kill commands, or not that one, yeah, 2 kill commands on the end. So there aren't like super long commands, they're just little things that change it ever so slightly. Anyway, let's go through the demonstration. It's going to be the exact same as the previous loot crate video. So, as you probably know, I drop the loot crate, and I get an item. I drop it, and I get an item. I drop it, and I get an item. Now, I don't have any other players, so I can't show how it works. You're just gonna have to trust me on it. But basically, instead of giving the item to just one player, it gives it to the closest player to the dropped item. So if one guy drops it, then he'll get the item. If a different guy drops it, then he'll get the item, instead of them all going to the first guy. Anyway, let's show you guys how it works. So first one, unlike the other one, it's a test for @e square bracket type equals item, comma, name equals quotation mark, loot crate quotation mark, square bracket. And that's just testing when a item named loot crate is dropped. And this needs to be repeat unconditional always active. Oh no, wait, just repeat unconditional needs redstone, and then a lever on the top, yeah. And if you want to copy down the command, there it is. Then next up is the clone one block, or tilde, lots of tildes with one in between every 3 tilde. And what that does is it's testing the block, or it's cloning the block right above this command block into those coordinates, which is in that little glass chamber right there. And that's how it deposits its items, or that's how it clones the chest in there so it has a loot pool. And chain conditional is active. If you want to copy down the command, the coordinates will be different on your world as to my world, because wherever you put the chamber is up to you. And chain conditional is active. Anyway, next one, set block the coordinates of that chamber, air 0 destroy, and that destroys the chest. And that makes it so that all the items are on the ground instead of inside a chest. So set block the coordinates air 0 destroy, chain conditional is active. If you want to copy down the command, go ahead. And the coordinates will be different because your chamber is in a different position than mine. And all these need to be in a straight line like that. Plus you can put whatever you want in this chest. I just have a little OP loot pool. There's supposed to be a bow right there, but I had to take it out. Don't go down. Anyway, this one right here, kills @e square bracket type equals item, comma, name equals chest, square bracket. And chain conditional always active. If you want to copy down the command, there it is. And what that does is when you destroy the chest in the, so when it places the chest in the chamber and then it destroys it, it has everything inside this chest as well as the chest itself inside there. And what this one right here does is it takes the chest out of the loot pool. Then next, it executes on behalf of @e, name equals loot crate, type equals item. Right on top of it, it TPs a random item to the nearest player. So while the loot crate is still on the ground, or in the air, because it all happens in like one tick, then it's going to teleport a random item from this chest, from right inside here, to the closest player to the dropped item. And that's why it works with multiple people. Because if you drop it, it'll give the item to you because you're the nearest player to the loot crate. But if someone else drops it, they're the nearest player to the loot crate, so they get the item. And then there's the command if you want to copy it down. Then kill @e square bracket type equals or r equals 6, chain conditional always active, and that kills all the items inside this little chamber right here. So that means it kills everything that you didn't get from this chest. So if you got, let's say, a diamond helmet, then it's going to delete all the other items that are on the ground so it doesn't cause lag. And then finally, kill addy, square bracket, type equals item, name equals loot crate. It kills the loot crate that was dropped on the ground. For a little bit, I was super confused when making this because I didn't have this command block in there. And when I dropped a loot crate, it would just explode items non-stop. Like, there would just be an infinite flow of items. I almost crashed my game, but I managed to figure it out in time. And yeah, that's how this works. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.